Shimala. Allora, mi metto qui Cali. Mi metto qui a Triga. Mayo a Daraza. Mayo di kata. Mayo a Soso a Sebaza. Mayo di kata India me halo tasa ba. Mayo amo mawo kata. Mayo malota. Nato pe achara la India. Achia Ragbache Abafaro Wayana Metopinka Adaza Aro Azabia Yami Ikeya Hubaza Bana Bani Ayala Jiwa Amaro Akazala Tanu Natobi Asri Eva Jijija Akabaka Samba Uke Azama Ito Beribere Ubama Azaga Jadi Alaba Oga atashima akochirina yo na asana yiji acha ko mandasare nama ko gere dojo nama ko gere nyajo ko gere hajo agora edo pe edo so baji kona ni na ma waro fi areko ame o waro konare yo to nya ko ro waro fi ko ga foko yo ko to yi ha akoro ayo to toy asaro mego dora choma apa badoreleba azairu bela fifia utifafa bika muntiafa meloko takawo woma nonyo ezaya utifafa jine tozaro one rozaya ninye koma nato azedualero yekoba o katare yalla nato biyo katakata la hijita ba bakata ono sasie lango to khoto ba fifia Tafache achoma magala nyashila ngomo alaba mevyo kata amova zukukla kusio doma onare koma kaji muja ikanya levyo kama kicho kumo o kama na kicho la siwa ao afika kwa torore kwa tore okonani abi la shiko levyo kata pomula ko otumwa dom otama kicho lukoga kicho makicho uti alukuna togapo alaba omana na gomsemo ta dibonava na lesemo no kuna ko otama chichou ata togbo asonu ba ato mana no nyashilo achilei makogari kujo makogari dojo makogari najo nagba o yo Yamore, Yapoto, Mota Telebona, Tomavilava, Kinaro, Agbanayo, none of your Catala Badia, Fudamare, Boy Lavano, Agaja Gajino.
Mario, Yato Dieta. Albayaka, albadoku, dakau baramu, bayora, bayo tobani glan, takasika, kokoi mo foto, asikre gomata, tagina, rungu, bayora, bayo tutoko ni mafa, bayo baku, bayo kamadi, bayo chivu, bayo bolipu, bayo tavi, bayo mikata, yavafia, yavasabra, bayo nyatobi, Gamadra aku joku amachifio do pung mara mayora na vafia na saba nyato dia banya manya ramu otutu manya ade jongku na gra mayo na vafia na saba mayo nyato bi ache gaja mayo ya adacha nyaki mayo achu besa kofa mayo Togolo mayo, Charlie mayo, Tobi Adanaja mayo, Asri mayo, Mayo Marakako, Yakrofia vio kata, Yatevio, Yakrovi, Barrel, Joshi, Dufiaoshi, Otashina, Matonani, Barenya, Dua, Fiare Chu, Avatu Dua, Elio Dua, Akbeta, Elio Dua. Ada atobia danaja aba rosa rani no rosa nia oruhu abaju abara ngogbo obrina ẹ̀yin náà jọ àzàngálì tọ́gbí ó owó ìmọ̀tí mọ̀gbọ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ ó lé rà sí òní ẹ̀kọ́ musa òbí rọ̀ọ̀mù ya tọ́gbí ó jí rọ̀ǹkó ó jí agba agaroji ó tẹ̀sí àṣìnà ọmọ akọ́nà ni àjù ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́lẹ́ gbogbo gbọ́ àyà àkójọ àjùmọ̀bí ó ná sọ̀sọ̀ mú àyàbá ogójìnà ọmọ akọ́nà ni yàkọ̀ àjùọ̀nà yìí ń gbọ́gbẹ́ àjùmọ̀gbẹ́ tó ń lu sisi àṣìwọ́n náà lu sisi. Utevi ono si omugba mele nyama moyo shitama shinanyu aklananyu atonanyu atofatu menyela ato unyere yoto miwi ikashe dinamu ofa kumyako atona dunyere re atbamudashi nchi fafana bia asaru ola apana falu nduna manava tatocha falinya yaba kolu.
And now I will thank Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Osabeni Makwesi II, Umahini of Ugwa Traditional Council. Nasibek Akufo-Addo III, Umahini of New Durban Traditional Council. W. Members of the Diplomatic Corps, Ministers of State, members of Parliament, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to extend a warm welcome to you at the Hogbetsotso Festival. I am filled with profound pride and gratitude as I address you today in Angola, the traditional capital of the 36 councils of Angola. The celebration commemorates our ancestors' remarkable exodus from Wache and stands as a powerful testament to the enduring unity that strengthens our unity. It is a time to celebrate our rich culture, connect with our traditions, and reinforce the bonds that unite us in purpose and identity. Your Excellency, Mr. President, Angola is deeply grateful for all the development projects initiated during your tenure, particularly the inclusion of the Angola coastline in the World Bank-sponsored WACA project and the incorporation of our region in the Agenda 11 initiative. As we look forward for the future, there are still key concerns that require your attention, including the completion of various projects that have been initiated, like the Kita Harbour project, the protection of Angola coastline, the dredging of the Kita Lagoon, and the construction of a sports infrastructure. It is once again time for the people of Ghana to choose their political leadership for the next government. I have every confidence in you, Mr. President, to oversee not just the delivery of a free, fair, peaceful, and transparent election, but also to ensure that it is perceived as such by all. Message to visitors. Osabeni Makwesi II, Omageni of the Gwa Traditional Council, and as a break of Buhari III, Omageni of New Durban Traditional Council. Angola is privileged and honored to have you grace this occasion with your presence. The doors of Angola remain open for your citizens to come, explore, and take advantage of abundant investment opportunities within the Angola. Message to Anglo citizens. I wish to acknowledge the tireless efforts of Torgbui Sri II of Ada of Anglo, the planning committee, and the youth for their invaluable support in organizing the Hogbetsotso Festival over the years, especially this year. Never well done. Torgbui, Mama, from the 36 states of Anglo, I commend your commitment to preserving our traditions by traveling across the states to celebrate this momentous occasion. Never well done. I have initiated the elevation of notable Botao of Amaduko to paramount status. This initiative is part of my strategic plan to strengthen, govern at the center, my father deepening decentralization, which is a deliberate government policy. To the entire natives of Amaduko, the people here and far, I remind you that truly Nakajileka Notumabinu. Thank you.